shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go! Alright, what is going on YouTube? Good afternoon. I'm pumped up. Hey, got away from the lady. Let's go. I'm actually really pumped today because Sean, I don't know if y'all can see him, hold up. Sean got his bike back, baby, the one that was stolen. So we got it back. Unfortunately, you know, obviously like any stolen bike, the ignition was drilled out and stuff like that. But I wired in a push button that I will show you guys here in a minute. I wired in a push button for him, got the exhaust kind of squared away, changed the oil on it and everything, and man, it's running pretty good. And I'm just so happy that he got his bike back and everything else. So, you know, we're out riding. Unfortunately, he doesn't have a helmet. That got stolen too. But you know what? It is what it is. We're here now. And hey, good things coming in 2021, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we are going to go meet up with Squid Missile today. So y'all will see him. I have not been on the bike in a while, man, unfortunately. My battery was dead and everything, man. So hopefully we don't have any issues with that today. Man, it's like 50 something degrees out today, like 52, but steadily dropping. That's the high today, so definitely got to take advantage of that. Where is he at behind me? We still got to get a rear brake lever for the bike and an exhaust bracket. We kind of got it rigged up, but you know, it rides, so we ride. My boy, unfortunately, he ain't got a helmet. I don't have a spare, so. Ooh, that burp tastes like tacos. I gotta keep in mind, Sean's not on a big bike. I can't be dipping like I do. You hear that thing popping? Oh my god. I'm sorry I've been lacking on the videos, guys, lately, for real. It's just a lot going on in my life. Management changing at my work and a lot of stuff changing. So in case you guys are wondering how we got the bike back. Okay, so the bike was stolen back in July. And we hadn't seen it since, no word of it, no nothing. It was posted up on Facebook for sale. And basically, long story short, we arranged a fake meetup, got the address, contacted the police picked it up. So that's how we got the bike back. Oh man, completely forgot to tell you guys. Bought my wife a new car for Christmas. That's another thing that happened. I hope everyone had a good Christmas and a very happy New Year. My New Year's resolution, which I'm gonna try to stay active on it, is I'm gonna try to upload I'd say at least one video a week in summertime. Not right now, because obviously it's still wintertime, it's still cold, can't make that much content. But once summertime hits, I'm gonna try to release at least one video a week for you guys. I'm actually sweating, dude. I got thermals on, then I got sweatpants and jeans on, long sleeve shirt up top, and my jacket, and I got a face pullover. I'm actually sweating. Hey, I'll race you the white line. I'll let you get a jump. Alright, fam. So we got Squid Missile, we got Rachel with us, and of course Shrewsbury. So we are heading to the pub. We are gonna go up there and meet up with a few other guys. Alright, here it goes. Yeah, I got you on cam. That was a good little pull with my boy Squid Missile. Alright guys. Damn, I didn't know all this stuff was up here. Bet. Alright guys. I will see you on a bit whenever we start riding out again. Looks like we're gonna go get Gator, and then we're gonna be heading south, so I'm happy about that. I don't like riding north. There ain't no good roads up north. Alright, so I guess I'm leading, which is alright. Whoop whoop! Let's go, boy! Ah! Look at that boy! On a big boy bike! Let's go! Let's go, Gator! Ah! So close. Oh. Alright, you guys, so we just got here. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit and probably ride out again. Getting swirly. Woo! Let's go, Gator! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Baby girl was loving them poles, boy. Oh shit! Go! Gator's off-roading right now. What the? Today's just turning into a disaster. Alright guys, we're gonna see what's going on. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here now because we are just heading home, me and Sean, so it's gonna be a pretty boring ride home. But hey, it was a very eventful day. I had a blast, even though you know, it was a little chilly, not too bad. But yeah, definitely had a blast. And you know what? I can't complain too much that we're still riding, you know, mid-January, so. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and also make sure that the bell notification is on so you always know when I upload more content. Thank you! And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.